Well, Kingston just threw up. We're heading to Land of the Lakes. No.
Land between
the lakes.
Land of the lakes.
There's lots of butter.
Lots of butter.
We are at Turkey Creek off-roading area for the day. We're gonna do some riding, maybe take the Jeep out. The Jeep's already a little dirty. Should be a fun day.
Ready, girl?
You boys like Mexico?
We're gonna try to follow them or what?
like Mexico?
We'll try. There you go. What do you think, Bri? Say hi, Kingston.
Hi.
Are you ready, girl?
Ready. Okay, hold on, guys.
That was quick. Can you do that again?
Oh. That's bad. Okay.
Oh shit! Hey, girl. What you doing?
Well, we went through some water, and
Yeah, Auntie's gotta get Jeep out of mud.
What do you mean?
You say what do I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. All right, we're live.
are we stuck, Bri? No? We're not stuck? Okay, that's good. Kind of looks like we're stuck.
What are you doing today?
What are we doing today? We're stuck. So
What do you mean? Ah!
that's how my brain works. Well, not much has changed. We're still stuck. We have our third party helping us now.
The devil's robbing me of my fun. Kingston decided to puke in the Jeep. And then the first mud puddle we hit, we sucked water into. 3 hours later, here we are. But I like you a lot. That hasn't changed a bit. Someone said on my YouTube channel, you need a bigger hammer.
Bryson, tell us what's happening right now.
Keep pulling back. Keep up here. Keep in water.
Jeep went in water. You're right. Well, we made it back. We got towed by some really nice people from Nashville. I don't know how we're getting home.
I hope to see this on the YouTube of a failure.
It's been a really successful day.
Interesting.
Yeah. Puke. Broke down.
Stuck in the woods. It's drink time! It's been 5 days, 6 hours, and 29 minutes. We've been stranded. We sucked water into the intake on the first run. It was pretty pathetic. Had to have somebody pull us out. Was out there for 5 hours. Good times. Freaking somebody decided to put some river rock in the fire.
Up the sky, huh?
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
Boy,
you want a spanking? It's after dark now. We got a fire. Me and Kingston are sitting here. Poor Jake. He had to drive all the way home and get his flatbed trailer, bring it all the way back out, and then we loaded the Jeep up. By the time we got home, it was 12 and a half hours after we had hit the mud puddle. Well, it's another day. Jeep is still not running. Now we're getting it off the trailer. Damn, boy, what you eat for breakfast? Sexiness?
Are you ready, girl?
Ready.
Gotta commit, full-fledged.
Okay. I'm just gonna take my foot off the brake, right?
Just don't let it hit the house, okay? But keep your wheel straight, the way it is. All right, go for it. Let's go, girl. Commit.
All right, so from this point, well, Vito started fixing the Jeep for the next 2 months. I'm gonna let him take over the rest of this voiceover and tell you guys exactly what happened, because he's the one that fixed the Jeep. And I will tag him in the description below for his YouTube channel. It's called Vito's Fix. Vito, take it over.
So yeah, unfortunately, we figured out that we'd sucked water straight into the intake because of a hole for a breather hose going to the valve cover. And once I started tearing things apart, I figured out that the connecting rod was bent. So I ended up doing a lot more than what I intended, but we got it done, and it runs great.
Reason number 553 as to why we should not go mudding with the Jeep as a primary vehicle.
All right, so this is a 3.8 liter piston rod. We're going to break it. I'd scare you shit. I just want to say that. All right, thank you.